A big salute to all the healthcare workers. You are doing a really important and challenging work. Many times you must be feeling overwhelmed, sad, helpless, or maybe even numb at times. Let me tell you, these are normal responses to the given challenging situation. It is so very important that our healthcare workers on the front line of COVID-19 pandemic take care of your overall well-being. Allow me to give you few points to ponder and some to follow, which may help you to improve your coping strategies. Let us all rewind and remember the basic purpose of our life. Remember the purpose for which you are in this career. Remind yourself that despite all these challenges, you are the one who is making a difference and taking care of those who are most in need today. Let us try and think about any tough situation that you have faced in the past and remember the way you handled it. It will help you to handle the tough situation today. Be self-compassionate. My dear friends, please take care of yourself. Take breaks from work whenever possible. Your body needs it. It is important to eat well, hydrate yourself, and get sufficient sleep. Spare a little time for physical exercise. Stay in touch with your family and friends, and if you're not able to meet them personally because of your work, talk to them over phone, video call regularly. Plan some activities that you enjoy in your spare time. Let humor be part of your daily life. Smile often as you can. It will help you to feel lighter. Control the flow of information, my dear friends. Keep yourself well informed, but limit or rather avoid the descriptive updates from social media. It will only add on to your existing stress. Focus on things that are in your control. Pay attention to things that goes well as planned. Do not fail to give an appreciating word to your colleague, your subordinates at work. Remember that we all need that boost to motivate and move ahead. Let us focus on positivity. It can be easy to get overwhelming hearing about the growing number of confirmed cases, the loss of life. Instead, let's look on for hopeful stories about communities coming together to support people and families. Stories of those who recognize frontline workers like you for their sacrifice. It feels good. Avoid using unhelpful coping strategies such as use of tobacco, alcohol. In the long run, this can worsen your mental and physical well-being. Utilize mindfulness tool. Feel your present. When feeling overwhelmed, take a few slow, deep breaths to help the body relax. Sit or stand comfortably. Be conscious of your breath, allowing yourself these few minutes just to feel the physical sensation of breathing in and out. Slow, deep, long breaths can help you maintain a sense of calm. Let me tell you some grounding technique which will take you through the 5 senses to remind you of the present. Let us start with vision. Acknowledge 5 things that you see around. Maybe a pen lying on the table or a fan in the ceiling. Acknowledge 4 things that you can touch. Maybe your hair, your dress. Listen to 3 things in the surrounding. Acknowledge 2 things that you can smell. Maybe you can take a walk and smell a soap in the washroom or some smell that is coming from the nature outside. Acknowledge 1 thing that you can taste. If you can't taste anything, imagine some of your favorite food. These small changes can have a large effect. Lastly, my friend, let me tell you, it's okay to say that you're not okay. If you feel overwhelmed, anxious, talk to your colleague, manager, seniors, or a family friend whom you trust. Remember that you're not alone in this situation. Your colleagues must be equally distressed and you could support each other. If anxiety is something that you are struggling with on regular basis and you are having trouble and probably you have anxiety symptoms like difficulty sleeping or panic like symptoms, please do not hesitate to seek professional help. Your health, your mental health matters to us. Best wishes and stay supportive together. Thank you.